The press freedom is freedom that comes from the arms of government. The private citizen has no problem with the media. The media is protected constitutionally against the oppressive tendencies of the state, an enemy of the state. When that time, media was not a tool to be accepted by everyone. Today, the same government that fights media, that was fighting my good brother Nyaruri and the others, has embraced the media. Every government office has a communication department. Every sector that was completely a no-go zone wants their stories told. And that is why the county assembly, that is their job is to make laws, half of the staff will be communication people. That tells us that it is the fastest growing sector. 200 members from our community, that tells you that is a massive employment sector that we should take very seriously. We should invest. Very many stigmas that were put to destroy the community, you have done tremendously well. I will urge more. Be patriotic, be very that ethnically be patriotic to develop and push the narrative of us. Nobody is going to create the narrative about us. Because I strongly believe that if the message is not passed across, then you are communicating to yourself. You are that vessel, you are that face, you are the narrative of the Kisii community. Tejane ase abarikiba wa media nerina Nyamira na Busomi are one and the same. Tuna abana abamu. Media nere uchikobenchira tukweoni kuchisiko. Igotore chi county bere lakini abantu bale chi diaspora abagusi bale siko outside ya Kisii na Nyamira igo bara abange ko bwabalenka. The message nerina tiga abantu baitu bairanenka, tiga abantu baitu ba support local talent, tiga abantu baitu babwate resources ba develop their own counties. To banyabantu baisiko bachako develop this place. Kisii na Nyamira is one and the same thing. I'm appealing to us abana siasa bamanyena to we come from one ancestral place and we shall remain together. Free abantu bali babwate chinguru che serikali in all arms of government. Tigakoge chiguna media ya tebile kibesa njibitu. That evidence in a besa njibitu. The media take all that story. So I'm angry all arms of government. For example, for partner and media. Counter assembly, almost speaker is together. A team ya counter assembly, noira. Chitimu chon speech ya government. Tigaba join with the media and let Bamanyetena Karu information. The right of information is the right in the constitution. Tiganga kiraba musiba minto buyamono. Eshere ya freedom of the media. Yare the Nyamira. Ya korirubuya. Tigan thank my brothers and sisters na abayibori ba Nyamira. Abantu bonse pibe town ya Nyamira. Kiagaraba welcoming all members of the fourth estate. Naende again tekenenke lina industry abayibori tikagotanga abana ko batebi bagende oso mubu ali mubwoko no bunyagitari bwoko. Media is now a very serious sector industry. igere bono industry egokorda professionals iga abana baitu tiga bagende nebiongozi betu tiga birore gosembi biroski besangega tutware a college osongo osinyamira ego train journalists so that kibese kito tokoira abana baitu baji gosoma Kenya rinogoro asichikabira chinde chinyanya chiabo chikono tigana intutorete a training facility ya media angega so that ebe a job creation igari protected neri chikuri neria constitution igari protected namachika parliament a media law igari protected namachiko are international media tari gento ikari loko umuntu aja gotana media ye irenye bitega. Media is an international entity, global. The rights cy'abantu ba media na kinate bina bari babwate kinguru kya police, bari babwate kinguru kya government. Mbabaze kuira na media, they are intruding into their privacy. The right of the citizens kumanya umuntu kuba that information media. On the one side, I was going to threaten media, and I've always stood in on the media or I've threatened. I myself am working Danstan Omari with very many advocates. But I represent for free. I wasn't going to threaten anybody, and I'm appealing to all government agencies, the investigative arms of the police and other agencies, and those ones in position of power, ensure that the freedom of the media is protected, ensure the lives and tools of the media. Enjira konyoro montango imoka no wate camera ye media na delete. That is unlawful. Any source is protected by the media. Muskari takuranga muntu media to disclose the source of information. That is protected by international law and the law. So, I'm offering free legal services as on the way media.